Well, let's take a look at this week's menu and see what we're going to be doing. You know, this week is our spring vacation and the grandkids are coming, so some of the menu is going to be a little varied and kind of switched around just depending on what their tastes are all about. First of all, for Monday, we're going to have sheet pan style pork chops. Oh my God, they will be so good, I promise you. And they're only going to take less than 30 minutes. On Tuesday, the plan is to have rigatoni, if I can find rigatoni. It's not always easily available in my local store, but whatever pasta it is, and it's going to be with an Italian gravy and a salad. On Wednesday, the plan is for red beans and rice. And you can see I've already decided I'm going to have to switch those days because I found out that guess who's coming? The babies are going to come in on Wednesday. And they're going to be here Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the plan for Thursday is to have chicken and rice with green beans. And then Friday, oven-baked cod with a good salad. Now, Saturday is kind of up in the air. You know, that's going to be one of those basketball tournament evenings. So I'd say I'm probably going to hit Publix, get some of their delicious chicken wings and throw together a salad, and I'm going to call it done. And of course, Sunday is dinner with friends. So we've got a busy week. We've got to have lots and lots of energy because the grandkids are going to keep us busy. You may possibly see a few things because they like to cook. You may see them, or at least portions of them, throughout the week, at least for the days that they're here. So I'm looking forward to planning for this week and for executing this week. Love on your family as much as you can. Those of you who are grandparents, get those babies in and just give them all the grandparent love that you can. So let's get into our week. Hello, my friends. It is such a rainy night in Virginia, and we're in the process of getting ready for dinner. Tonight we're going to have some pork chops, and we're going to do it sheet pan style with some corn. I've got some pre-cooked potatoes, and I'm just going to add lots of things that's going to go into the sheet pan. And so I'm going to take you along on the journey. But before I get there, I did not want to go any further without having, first of all, let you know that I really appreciate your kindness, your kind words, your those of you who have joined as subscribers and are part of our community. I certainly hope that you will continue to be in the kitchen. It is a lot of fun. I've had the blessings of having my grandkids with me this week, and you'll get to see little snippets of things that we did. And it's a wonderful time. It's wonderful being able to share with you the knowledge that I have. Some things I'm learning along the way, and I'm taking you along on the journey. So without further ado, let's get down to cooking tonight's dinner of our sheet pan pork chops. I have scooped in a little over a half cup of rice into the bottom of this bowl, and I am going to put in a ladle full of red beans and rice over it. Let me take my wooden spoon out. And I'm going to sit that right in the middle. Now for my hubby, remember he likes a little extra juice, so I'm putting that in. So they'll have plenty. So his bowl is ready. I have just a little less rice for me, and my scoop. And I think I'll add a little extra juice as well. And mine is ready also. Going to wipe the bowl down so we're not getting the tomato sauce all over everything. It's a little tomatoey, but red beans and rice served for dinner. Have a great one. Good morning. The grandkids are here and breakfast is rolling. We've got bacon. We've got pancakes going. We've got potato cakes going. And we're going to have eggs. So everybody's going to be full and ready to go and play for the rest of the day. Enjoy. Eggs are here and they are waiting patiently for the fish. I'm about to take it out of the oven and put it on the plate. So let's get going here. Oh man, how pretty. You get a mat. Everything's hot. Bubbling. See if I can get you around here so you can see. Here we go. Is that not pretty? Okay, so let's get this on the plates. Get this codfish on our plates. All right. I'm going to add a little more light to the subject. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Are you ready? Let's put it in. Okay. You'll see that the topping is nice and brown. Hope you can see that. And that's going to go on each of the plates. There's enough for each person to have 2 pieces. I think I'll bring the plate to this one so I don't lose it. It's nice and flaky. It's nice and moist. Okay, and the little crummy pieces, we're going to put those on there too. There we go. Lots of butter. Lots of crumbs. There we go. Add that in. So voila, we have a beautiful plate tonight for dinner. So guess what? Dinner is served. I hope you and your family have a wonderful time tonight around your table. We're having chicken and rice. Now, I have my chicken cooking. I pulled one of the cubes of celery. I pulled a cube of sliced onion, and I've added it to my skillet. I've got a little butter, a little oil, and just to get everything in here happy, added salt, pepper, a little herbs of Provence, a little bit of paprika for good color. And I am going to throw in the middle, I'm going to do this paella style, and I'm going to put in the center a cup of brown rice. Now, my brown rice actually is kept in the freezer. This is my bag of brown rice. It was a huge bag. This is a gallon container. It was full. I keep it in the freezer, and as I use it, it will last for a very, very long time. So I think tonight we'll just about knock it out. So brown rice is about to be added. You will not believe this, but the brown rice was just short of a cup. So I'm going to place this right in the middle of my dish. I'm going to turn my heat down to kind of a medium, and I'm going to place a top on it. And I'm going to let it go for, let's say about 45 minutes. And I'd say by 5:30, we'll be ready to sit down to dinner. Well, a trip to the grocery store is necessary for this evening. I had done so well this week, even with the grandbabies being in. But it's a beautiful day, and you know we love Publix wings, so that's where I'm headed. So let's get there and let's get back and get seated and ready for some serious basketball.